My name is Lazarus Nneka.
From where?
I'm from Isianambwa South local government in Abia State.
Okay, what program are you doing in YTF?
I'm into Take Teams here in YTF.
What is the meaning of Take Teams?
Take Teams is a program organized for teenagers for them to learn more about computer and Microsoft.
Alright. Okay. How did you find about YTF and how did you get to know about YTF?
Actually, I was looking for a place that I can do a computer program, learn more about computers, and a relative of mine just briefed me about this place and told me about its wonders, so I decided to enroll.
Okay, good. Okay, what is your hope for the future and what are you expecting to be? What is your focus? What do you want to become in future as career?
Okay. For the future, if things should work out the way I planned it, I hope to be a biochemist.
Okay. How do you think your program in YTF is going to contribute to achieving your vision as a biochemist?
Well, in the world today, as things are going on, we find that technology is just very much a part of the society nowadays, and almost all the careers, technology have an aspect to play in all of them. So I think the knowledge I am getting from YTF is going to really help me, although it has already started helping me now, because I can be able to browse through the computer, go through some programs, Microsoft Word, Access, PowerPoint, and the rest of them. So I think this program is going to help me a lot in the future to carry out my career very well.
Okay, good. Now,